Hello and welcome. Today we are going to look into the differences between snitching and reporting. Although snitching and reporting may seem similar on the surface, but there are some key differences between the two. And in a digital age that we are living in, it is very important that we understand the differences between the two, whether they be for the purpose of consuming any sort of information on social media or on the media channels. First, motivation. Snitching is often done out of a desire for personal gain or revenge, while on the other hand, reporting is typically done out of a sense of responsibility or duty to the community. Secondly, intent. Snitching is usually done to get someone in trouble, while reporting is typically done to resolve a problem or prevent harm. Confidentiality. Snitching often involves betraying someone's trust or violating their privacy, while reporting can be done anonymously or with confidentiality measures in place. So the consequences. Snitching can have negative consequences for the person being reported, while reporting is typically done with the intention of preventing or minimizing the harm to others. In general, snitching has a negative connotation because it often involves betraying someone's trust or violating their privacy for personal gain. Reporting, on the other hand, is often seen as the responsible and ethical action when done in the interest of the community. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next content. Thank you.